Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to talk about getting rid of the ads in your browsing experience. A lot of times when we're surfing the internet, we'll see ads that are kind of embedded in the web page that we're looking at, and one way to get rid of them is by installing something called an ad blocker. There are lots of different ad blockers. When I decided to choose one, I just did a search for best ad blockers. I came along this Tom's guide. Tom's a reputable website, and they have an article called Best Ad Blockers and Privacy Extensions for the current year, and the first one that they listed was AdBlock Plus, so that's what I decided to install. And the way that you install it is if you're clicking on a blue E, then it's going to be Internet Explorer or Edge. If you're clicking on a little beach ball looking thing like this, it'll be Chrome. And if you're clicking on a fox wrapped around a globe, it'll be Firefox. So once you do that, you can generally just go Ad Block Plus. Just Google search Ad Block Plus, and you're looking for adblockplus.org, and then you click on that. And then where it says get AdBlock Plus for Chrome, generally speaking, it'll figure out what browser you're using. So for instance, if I go to Firefox and I type in AdBlock Plus and I click on it, then it should be able to identify that I am going there with Firefox. There it goes. And yeah, it says agree and install for Firefox. So whatever browser you're going, you're hitting that website with, it should be able to identify it. We're going to put it on Chrome today, and we're going to click on where it says get AdBlock Plus for Chrome. And we're going to get rid of Firefox there. So then it goes here, and you should see in the upper right hand corner where it says add to Chrome. You just left click on that. And then where it says add extension, you left click. And in a second, yes, it should say installation successful. You just took control of your browser. And then if you click on the little three dots, if you're in Chrome, you'll see three dots in the upper right hand corner. Go down to more tools, and you don't have to click on this. Then you go down to extensions, you click on extensions, and then you should see it right there, AdBlock Plus in your extensions. And as you can see, this page was loaded before I put the AdBlock Plus extension on. And if I reload this page, and it'll say, "Hey, you're blocking us," and then I'm going to say, "Continue with ad blocker." And now we're not seeing the ads on either side of this. It's not foolproof. The people who make the websites are always trying to get around the ad blocker software. So occasionally you'll see ads on websites, but for the most part, this should get rid of ads on websites. I hope everybody found this video to be helpful. If so, please like and share it. And absolutely, please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody is in the Memphis, Germantown, Bartlett, Collierville, Midtown, downtown area, and you need in-home computer repair support, please feel free to call me, Dave Bensman, at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.